Welcome to Our Life Simplified. I'm Laura, and Todd is my husband. On this channel, we share our journey of transforming our 5-acre property into a Tuscany-inspired mini homestead and peaceful outdoor oasis. From DIY builds and garden projects, to raising chickens and culinary adventures, including cooking, baking, and grilling, and everything in between. We are creating a space that's both functional and charming, one intentional step at a time. Welcome to our home. Today is all about the Chicago-style hot dog. Today is game day. We are going to be heading over to SIUC Carbondale to watch the Salukis play. This is their homecoming game. And I know typically people like to do tailgating at the game, but we decided we're going to have our own little tailgate party, if you want to call it that. A little pre-party here at the house so that we don't have to worry about carrying and packing anything around, because it is kind of a dreary day. We don't know if it's going to rain or not. We don't think it is, but we just decided to go ahead and do it here at the house. Todd was raised in the Chicago area, and so he grew up on Chicago-style hot dogs, and this is his version of the Chicago-style hot dog. Let us show you how we make it. So first, we went ahead and we cooked the Nathan hot dogs on the grill. You can use any substitute type hot dogs, but this is just what we use. And then this is how we piece it all together. Since we didn't have any poppy seed buns, Todd's making them. All he is doing is taking some egg whites, and he's gonna baste the egg whites on the buns. And then he's gonna take poppy seeds and sprinkle them on top for a poppy seed hot dog bun, because sometimes they're hard to find in our area. Then he'll put it in a 350-degree oven for maybe about 10 minutes or so. And here's the poppy seeds. I don't know if it really tastes much different, but do you think it tastes different with the poppy seeds?
No.
Just tradition.
Yeah.
You're from the Elgin area, so you grew up eating the Chicago-style hot dogs. So now we are officially making the iconic Chicago-style hot dog. If you watch the video of us making the pickle relish, this is the sweet pickle relish for Chicago-style hot dogs, and us sharing the tip on how we get that bright green color. I'll go ahead and I'll link that video. So we're obviously starting with those poppy seed buns, hot dogs in the buns.
So I'm gonna put some of these on. Slice of pickle.
So this is a dill pickle that are cut into...
They're actually Clausen slices cut in half, right?
Okay, so they're like thin wedges. So this is obviously the way Todd is making it. He grew up in the Chicago area, and so this is how he makes it now for all of us. We have somebody who doesn't like the dill pickle. Next, putting on a couple of tomato slices. Next, we have some chopped onions, and we're just placing that on top.
Nope.
Next is the sweet pickle relish. Next, we got our sport peppers. So we'll put a couple of those on each.
I'm gonna die if this is...
And if you're going to do a Chicago-style hot dog, you've got to use mustard.
No ketchup.
No ketchup. And now we're going to add a little bit of celery salt. And don't knock it till you try it. I'm telling you, the combo of all these flavors is amazing.
That'll be all there is to
All
it.
right, so this is how we make the Chicago-style hot dogs. What's your favorite way of making Chicago-style hot dog? Have you ever tried Chicago-style hot dogs? If you tried these Chicago-style hot dogs, let me know what you think. I know some of the ingredients individually, I've had people say that they did not like. However, when they had the Chicago-style hot dog all put together, they absolutely loved this with all the combination of flavors. So let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Enjoy. So good.